all, farm hands. I've got a little fence down on the farm, and I'm going to go try to get that patched up so my cows doesn't get out. Alright, let's gather up some tools. Roll of wire, fencing bucket. That is a really handy trick. Carry your steeples, hammer, pliers, wire roller. Post driver, just in case. Couple of steel posts. Chainsaw bucket, chainsaw. Keep your tools, your file. Spray bottle of water. That's my air compressor. Gas and oil. extra steeple. All right, let's go fence. And there's the cows. They think they're going to get some feed. I've already fed them hay today. They're pretty demanding. Some people would call that spoiled. I guess that's about right. Okay guys, here's the culprit. We got an old dead tree. It's falling. It's pulling my fence down. I don't know if you can see the barbed wire or not. I just got a few strands of barbed wire. Got some woods here. So we got to get this fixed up. First thing we got to do, get rid of this tree. Here are my cows, so they may show up. Alright, before we get started on our fence, I've got a little issue with my chainsaw. My filter, this, is broken in here. So I'm going to take this off. This steel chainsaw. It's an MS 250. Good little saw. Take the cover off. Get that held on there, sort of. And see this end right here? That part used to be like this. Like that. And it's broken off. So we're gonna take this one off, the old one off, drop it in our bucket, clean our intake up with just a little bit of sawdust in there. It's not good. Natural air compressor there. And just simply snap the new filter back in place. Like so. Just click, click. There we go. Replace the cover. Lock it in place. All right, ready to go. This monster out of our way and off of our wire here. firewood there. You know, pretty dark, pretty. Use that for something else. You're above the fence. I don't cut these all the way through sometimes. I should have this one. I don't want to get my chain into the dirt. Alright. I'm going to cut this off for a little bit. Get my wire found and cut out and see what I need to do here. Be right back. Alright, here is one of the most important tools that you'll ever have when it comes to building fence. Fencing pliers. You can pull steeples with them. You can cut wire with it. You can stretch wire with it. You can even hammer with it, but normally I don't. But these are great. I'm going to twist up some wire. I'm going to tie two pieces together and use these to twist it up. Alright, let's see if we can do this without breaking it. Whoops. Oh well. It didn't break. I'll get it. Alright, here we go again. Just don't overdo it. It'll break. There we go. Not beautiful, but effective. Now this right here, the wire is really not long enough. But we've got it started. I think we can make it work just fine. This one here, we steepled it up, tied it up, double loop, and I'm going to tighten it here in just a couple of minutes. Now here's where your fencing pliers come in. Grab your wire, pull it, and if you get it like this, right here, you can pull it a lot. See how straight it is? Look at that. Looks great. Let's hammer it in place. Alright, there we go. Solid. And yes, I know I'm nailed to a tree. Where the original was and kind of what I have to go back to. Not perfect, not the best, but it'll work. Alright, now we're going to attach our wire to our post. Work it here about waist high, something like that. Our top run. Hook these wire keepers, clips I call them. You get them at the store at Southern States. Let's see if I can. Let me switch cameras. Alright. I'll put this clip on. You get it hooked on this one side, and you get your fencing pliers. Just grab it right here in the loop and just roll it over. It's that easy. This one in between, hook the wire, loop it around, take it over, extra security, and there you go. I'm going to tighten this wire up just a little bit. We'll be good to go. All right. Here's our loops. There are clips that hold the barbed wire onto our steel T-post. Alright, mission accomplished. Here's our repaired fence. I mean, it wouldn't have hurt to have a couple of steel posts added to it, but I think we're fine. Because this is out, as you can see, it's out in the woods. This is the other folks' property. We're out in the woods. This is what my loops look like. I'll get my cell phone and get those. Might get a little better look. Anyway, not bad. A couple of pieces of what looks like walnut. Should have double checked it before I cut them short. Anyway, we've got another piece laying down the hill here. I'll come back and get that later. There's a green monster here on the ridge. So far the cattle hadn't got here, so that's a good thing. Alright, hope you enjoyed a little fence building. Alright, farm hands, come back and see us next time at Crossroads Growers.